Halloween is rolling around here in Southern Florida, and Nikki and I decided to up our spooky game out front. So we got this super cool 500-watt fog machine. I'm not sure it's super cool. That's why we're having this video, because I haven't used it yet. We're gonna, in this video, unbox this, set it up, make some fog here in the garage, see if I could get in trouble with Nikki, show you the LED lights, show you the fog, and I'm gonna let you know how this works. If it's any good, I will give it a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If it sucks, I will give it a 1 out of 5 out of the Doug score. But you will know by the end of this video if this is worthwhile for you getting to improve on your Halloween game. All right, let's unbox it, see what comes in with it, and then we'll set it up and make some fog in here and see how that goes. All right, let's get into it, right? All right, so let's open it up, talk about some of the features. It has 3 LED lights on the front, which you can adjust the colors, make them strobe, all that kind of fun stuff. Of course, when you do that, you have a remote control. That should be cool. These are mounts, so you could hang it if you wanted to hang it up and mount it somewhere. Instructions for the remote control and the unit itself. Let's see what else we have in here. This is a power supply and a remote on and off for the fog unit. It's a mount if you're gonna like hard mount it like DJ style to the ceiling. Ooh, I will say it is smaller than I thought. I don't think that's a negative thing, but I don't know. When I saw the ad on Amazon, I thought it was larger. Here's what it looks like. So you can see, and actually in relation to my hand, that's how big it is. So there's only one thing left to do. I'm gonna read the manual just a little bit, pour some juice in it. Let's make some fog in here, all right? Let's do that. It sounds like fun. Okay, so while it warms up for the first time, I having never used this before, I will tell you my first comment comes with an unrealistically, ridiculously short cord power supply cable. I mean, obviously I just ran an extension cord up here, but it is like beyond useless, the length. The machine itself is so cool. It's supposed to take 3 to 4 minutes for this to warm up. I won't make you wait the whole time, but this gives me opportunity to talk to you about things. These are the LED lights on the front. They're pretty cool. It's just a little extra effect. That's awesome. This is a completely non-waterproof version, so you shouldn't use it outside, shouldn't use it anywhere near water. And the other thing, which is a little weird to me, I am not sure, so I read the instructions and it says when it is heated up and ready to make smoke, this will light up red. There's also a remote for that as well. Oh, it lit up red. Let's press the button, see what happens. Ready? Oh, how cool is that? Oh, yes. That is ridiculously cool. Oh my God. Happy days. Even the dog is happy. Okay, that is so awesome. I don't know what else to say. There's nothing left. That is so awesome. There's nothing else left to say. The smoke speaks for itself. This thing is ridiculous. This is so cool. It's crazy. All right. This is absolutely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score all day. Oh, I love that. Kona loves it too. Hope that's helpful. We'll see you next time.